This Wednesday morning, GIFT Nifty continues to be buoyed by optimism that President Donald Trump is likely to tap the brakes on his tariff deployment strategy. The big question, will Nifty's unstoppable rally and the string of gains continue for the 8th straight session? Our call of the day, however, suggests that Trump's tariff detent is likely to fade as focus will turn towards the 4 near-term catalysts. 1. March FANO expiry. 2. The Personal Consumption Expenditures (PCE) Index, which is the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, to be wired this Friday, 28 March. 3. Tariff announcements on 2nd April. 4. Friday's US employment situation report on 4th April. That said, downside on Nifty is likely to be limited on backdrop of newly optimistic FII scam. Technically speaking, Nifty is now comfortably above its 21 DMA and 50 DMA with a recent sequence of higher high-low on the daily time frame. Now, all bullish eyes will be on Nifty's 200 DMA at 24,078 mark. Long story short, bullish consolidation is quite likely for benchmark Nifty as stock-specific action on the buy side will command investors' attention. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 5372 crores, while DIIs net sold shares to the tune of Rs 2769 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting desired consolidation, especially after last 7 days of solid gains. FANO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is still hovering near 13.63 levels. At last check, USD INR 26th March expiry has slipped near 85.70. Nifty PCR 27th March is at 0.97 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 27th March is at 1.05. Nifty outlook, bullish consolidation is quite likely. Nifty CMP 23669. Biggest make or break intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 23,533 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,857 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,500 and 23,800. Bias for the day is bullish. Bank Nifty CMP 51608. Bank Nifty's biggest interweek support at 50,900 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday resistance is now at 52,300 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 51,000 and 52,000. Bias for the day is bullish. In yesterday's trade, after a higher start, Nifty cooled off from the highs to end flat. Blame it on profit booking. Maximum pain was mostly seen in Nifty Midcap, minus 1.31%, and Small Cap indices, minus 1.47%, to end in red. The street was also nervousness amid 1. Fears over tariff. 2. Fears of slowdown in economic growth. 3. Fears of inflation. Amongst stock-specific action. 1. Colgate-Palmolive share price hit a 52-week low after the company highlighted a weak demand environment, especially in urban markets, suggesting a potential deceleration in consumer activity or a shift in purchasing patterns. 2. IndusInd Bank, minus 5%, received fresh drubbing as reports say PwC's report on the accounting loss will be submitted by 28 March. 3. HEG, plus 12%, and Graphite India, plus 7.8%, jumped higher with heavy volumes after Japan's cabinet decided to impose provisional 4-month anti-dumping duties on China's graphite electrode exports.